In this video, we'll show you how to make a call using your Vocera badge. To call a person by their full name, first press and release the call button, wait for the genie to respond, then give the command.
Vocera.
Call Elijah Brown.
Elijah Brown.
Kate Smith.
Accept call.
Yes.
The recipient can accept or reject a call verbally with a yes or a no voice command. You can also accept a call by pressing the call button or reject it by pressing the Do Not Disturb button. When answering a call, make sure to start with hello, just like using a phone.
Hello, this is Elijah.
Hi, Elijah. There is a light out in the main hallway. Can you fix it?
Okay, I'll take care of it right away.
If you don't know the person's last name, you can use their first name and department name.
Vocera.
Call Elijah in maintenance.
Elijah Brown.
Kate Smith.
Accept call.
Yes.
To end a call, press and release the call button again. You'll hear a chime indicating that the call has ended. As a best practice, the person who initiates the call should be the one to end the call.